What a motherfucker bite.
Oh! Tree! Oh! Oh! Well, we decided to do another round. Not a round. We did Tortuga all day. And now, Brian talked me into walking up. What is this called? Copperhead? It's called, anyways, the steep shortcut to the top of the trail so we can do Epoch, whatever it's called. And now it's raining. Oh my God. So am I wet? Yes. Yeah, Brutus is open, dude.
Why?
Nah, Brutus still open.
Why?
This sucks. That's a big step up, dude. Yeah. And it's raining, and we're still climbing. Well, hiking a bike. Oh my God, it still goes up, dude. I don't know, I was just gonna see how it feels.
No, we haven't been down it. No, we haven't been down it. That's why we want to go down it.
I'll go first, I haven't been down it.
Get it, man. You got the GoPro running too.
Let's do it.
Alright. You going with them or?
Man, I know I'm casing the shit out of all these jumps, but this is my first run down. It's wet, and I'm really just making the trip down to the bottom so I can go home. Yo, that mud is slowing you down like a mofo.
It's hard to go. I got fucking dirt in my contact.
I went higher. Did you see my tracks in the berm?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I
was trying to follow you.
Yeah.
I didn't like seeing those ruts. I was like, ugh.
Those ruts.
As you're going down, there's like these drainage ruts.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, they're going right to pedal over the top. I haven't even breaking.
Woohoo! Oh! Tree! Big Brutus is down! What's is that?
That tree took me out.
Oh my God, it hit me.
Oh.
What's this? Now this part right here got really fast, really quick, even with the wet and mushiness. And I still cased that bitch. Woo! Yo, that was fast as shit, bro.
That was slick.
Ooh, what was that?
That was sick, though. Nice. I think we're on painted black now.
Oh, it switched over?
I think so. Yeah, I think the
This will be the slick shit then. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! That shit was nasty.
Damn!
Oh,
Shit! That's like some mountain bike drifting. Oh my gosh.
dude, those roots, did they about get you?
They got me once. I got caught in a rut. They got him once. Pointed me at a tree and I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, it's
There's one
kind
part where I was like full sideways.
dude. Oh,
The back wheel was just like an ice skate. It wasn't
Brian's probably going down on that
pissed
shit.
right now. That was crazy.
Back there somewhere.
No, you were like, here's what. I'm definitely envious.
There he is.
What'd you think of that?
Oh my god.
Where were you, bro?
He's reevaluating his friendship.
That was fun.
Alright, guess what? Beer time.
Beer time.
Hey man, good rest.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah,
Hey,
good meeting y'all.
yeah, no problem. Yes, need to.
It's a picture.
Why the motherfucker bike?